Well, it would stop her from looking at the clock so often.
Yeah, then she's gonna find herself in the middle of the road because someone's gonna leave her unattended for 3 seconds.
Do they have braille
My
clocks?
experience, I find her on the rooftops more than the road.
No, fair enough.
I mean, yeah, the one time she told me to come help her because she slipped and fell off the roof.
Hi, Brick.
Hello.
Aloha.
So,
You would assume
Join
you
the
would-
circle. The judge is gonna be late.
you
Also,
would-
I don't know if Olivia's in jail or not.
Should be out on bail.
she should be out on bail.
Okay.
She didn't break bail? Oh my god.
I haven't seen her since this alleged incident.
Who's her lawyer? I should know that.
Jacobs.
I feel like there might only be one defense attorney, so that would narrow it down.
Yeah, you know, Mora did just like rage resign or something, probably.
Well, no, because there's that Cornelius guy. There's Karina Ivanova. There's James. Kathy.
Well, they have to pay them, and like they don't want to pay them.
They have money. They have like everyone has
Oh,
got
yeah,
the money
Matt.
to say that they don't want to spend.
Oh, I think there she is over there.
Oh.
To be honest.
Like people have so much money in the state and they just don't want to spend it. I don't know why.
I have bad news for you.
That's my food delivery.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That's not the news. That's
That
not
was
the news.
premeditated.
Wow, that
I'm
did
sorry.
seem very premeditated.
Kelly, if Kelly told me to attack, I will.
I mean that happened.
Well, let's see
yesterday.
how this goes. Pick them up, sir. Pick those up. That is police equipment handed over.
Did he break it?
Hey,
Destruction of property? I mean that's what happened yesterday when after I asked the state what the recommendation was.
All right, I forgive you.
No.
Okay.
That's what the state. That's what Matt Jacobs did to the state yesterday. I was
That
like, "What's your
was pretty
recommendation?" They said 70
suspicious,
months. They said 25-50, and then Matt Jacobs punched him in the face.
I was just really stressed out because I
Yeah,
was
bad
hoping,
news. You're gonna punch Kelly in the face again.
I was hoping you would have read the Cora Lynch docket.
No, I just assigned that area.
So Cornelius Vandertaunt is well, he's dead.
Well, wait.
What?
Ooh. Yeah, that is public docket now, isn't it?
He's murdered. Yeah.
Well.
No, I like that old man.
Yeah, he
I
was
did
my
too.
lawyer on
Wait,
occasion.
Oh, you like that old man, but you told me you had some other old man. What the hell?
He was almost governor.
Oh yeah, he was.
He said my boyfriend had no butt.
I thought Kelly hated old men because of one person, but apparently not.
And I had to tell him my boyfriend does have a butt.
Everybody's poops, so everybody got a butt.
Yeah, but he was saying that my
Well,
boyfriend's was
not
flat.
really, because what if
You
they're
know,
what if they're
it'll
amputated
be-
from waist down?
Well, I know there's like some wrestlers.
Hey, if you see my boyfriend on duty, you tell him he does not have a flat butt, okay? Kelly.
All right, who's your boyfriend?
Wyatt McKenzie.
So what you're asking
I'm
Kelly
gonna
to
see
look
if
at your
he's on
boyfriend's
duty.
butt.
No, I don't have to look at it to just say he ain't got a flat ass.
I mean, how would you know though, without looking at it?
But there's
She's
like
gonna lie, one way or the other. Or she's gonna tell the truth, but, you know, she just won't know. The truth can be a lie.
Not everyone has a butt though. There's that like some
Yeah.
wrestlers, they're like severed from like the waist down, and then they have like an extended advantage because wrestling is like weight class based.
But,
And so when you're just like an upper body, like you
where
can
does the
be
waist to go?
super
Where does the
strong.
waist go though?
They're a half of me.
I don't know.
You
They're
need to
just
Google
half
this
a
now.
man.
Just need to Google this. Like,
But yeah. So I know at least one example is that people hate fighting him because like in a lot of competitive like combat sports like that, you're not allowed to kick people that are on the ground. And since he's got no legs, he counts as being on the ground all the time.
You still have to follow the rule of no kicking if you have no legs.
Yeah, well, I mean, you can't kick him either, I think, is the problem.
Oh my god. Yeah, Joe.
I don't
Hello,
know who that is. I saw
comrades.
his Vance.
Oh
Yeah,
my
there we go.
god.
the fuck?
What are you wearing?
I'm
Oh,
a warlord from a small African nation.
Is that a Khufu?
I have some
might be.
questions for you, sir.
Sure thing, I'll answer any of them.
Before we proceed, sir, you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can will be used against you in a court of law.
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm not investigating this. Ain't no way in hell any African warlord's gonna hire you.
Where were
no.
you in 2012?
Not with Coney.
Where were you in 2001?
I was 13. Oh, then I was like 2.
BGO.
No.
DOJ. DOJ.
Oh, is this Finley?
No.
What's your name?
Everybody, let's
Oh, you're Carl Jr.
Get off now.
Whoa.
Hands, all you guys hands.
Everyone.
Let's get some cuffs on all of
Officers
you.
with the white shirts, come with us. Come down to the stairs.
Come on.
Okay.
White shirts, back up to us. Come on.
All of them?
This is very awkward. This is so awkward.
No. It is pretty awkward, no?
You too, bailiff.
Take the tractor off you.
And you guys put your hands out. Why are you hiding
take
behind the fucking post? Get
Tracker
over here,
off
bro.
you.
Get shot.
Oh, you're a bailiff. I don't want you.
Yeah, but stay still, bro. Keep your hands up. Everyone keep your hands up.
I thought you said
Someone carry the
I
other
said
cop.
Everyone keep your hands up.
Leave it alone.
Alright, walk with me, bailiff. Walk with me, officer. Come on.
Well, I'm responding. I'll be on tax.
330.
Alright,
126.
come on. Hurry up.
Don't get in my car.
Where am I going?
Hurry up. Alright, hold him here. I'm gonna grab my car.
Go ahead.
Shotgun. Shotgun, shotgun, shotgun. Pink car, shotgun, pink car, shotgun. Pink car, shotgun, pink car,
cameras. They're taking Price and Flash right now.
Do a direct.
Put Price into the car. They're going east occupation towards lower pillbox.
What the fuck is it?
The car's third or tertiary get chase.
Where are we going, sir? What is this all about?
Don't worry about that.
Is Jay still at the courthouse?
Yes.
I am a little concerned.
Terry, I have
Shut up.
pictures of the people taking Price.
No, but I'm at a casino right now with 1 unit on me. Huh?
Needs additional vehicle.
Yeah, I mean, tax 2, we're following it. If it's a kidnapped officer, we can take 7.
2 or 3
Well,
over.
yeah, we do it bad right now. I got 2 units on me.
But
I'm coming lower field,
currently
lower field.
cuffed, so he won't be able to. I'm at the station side list if you want error or anything.
Please, all of them.
I need a co-pilot.
Come on, officers. Please, for the love of God.
Yeah, tell me about it, baby.
Go with, there you go. Whatever, just get up.
I'm just at Legion right now. Where y'all at?
Dante, what station are you at?
Man, RPD.
Okay, on the way.
One little vector circling the square.
I got 3 units. 3 units.
You gonna have a lot more than 3.
On that track.
Get them out the way. Hell fucking yeah!
Southside off Davis.
Listen, man, you got better call outs than half my department.
I know. Going back to the Legion. Yeah, I'm right here.
Oh my God. I was so excited. So excited to go to court.
How's your shift going so far?
Well, I literally just got on duty to go to court.
Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah, me too. Can we reschedule this?
You know, I think it's too far for that now. You know, I don't think if I let you go, your officer's gonna let me go. We can just reschedule it.
Well, it is fair, but I have somewhere to be right now, sir. What is this? Is this about me or is this just in general?
Oh, this
you
is
mad
in
at the
general.
police?
Oh, we mad at the police.
Oh, well, let's talk about it. What did the police do?
We'll
figure that out later.
The comms on ATC if you need me. Contact my co-pilot.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Oh my God, my husband saved me!
You tell me.
Delta 98, we have units going to the 911 call.
Could you? I think she's gonna break off. Could you go with her, please?
Hey, firm, give me a tack.
Go attack 3 right.
Cause I'll be honest. Listen, I'll be honest. I don't think there's any talking about this. I have a cop in my car. There's no talking about this. It's too late.
Well, I'm right here. We could talk about it.
Oh, well, yeah, me and you could talk about it, but your other officers, you're gonna want to kill me or do something to me.
No, we don't ever want to kill anybody,
Oh,
sir.
Yeah.
Get out.
Right. Oh, is that a heli? Oh, there's a heli.
Why don't we discuss it and clear this up? Seems like a lot of unnecessariness.
What y'all want to do? Yeah, I told you there's a heli. I don't know. I'm asking y'all.
Yeah, I mean,
You tell me.
Oh my God, what is this? There are so many of them. Oh my God.
Delta 98, tack 3, situation code 4. Do you want me to join you on tack 2?
I'm not fighting. They're chasing. Yeah.
Listen, to be fair, sir, if you let me go, they probably would still chase you, but there'd be less of them chasing you. Because some of them would stay with me.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
I'm just trying to be helpful. They call me Helpful Kelly Price.
That's okay. I appreciate that.
Also, I am getting a little bit nauseous, sir. We
that's
seem
okay,
to be
that's
driving
okay.
in circles. Oh my God, why are you shooting them? Stop
I
it!
like this officer. What do you mean?
I don't know as whether you like them.
I got one. Heli landed on Mega.
Take me back there.
I got my back.
Oh no, I'm fucked.
I'm out.
Oh my God. I'm not making it to court.
Listen, you know Detective Link? Something like that? Lincoln?
Okay. I'm familiar with him. I've heard of him, yes.
Okay. Well, he did something he shouldn't have done, and that's why this is happening, all right?
Well, what did he did? I ain't even a detective, sir.
Okay, I know you're not, but I'm just letting you know that's why this is happening.
I feel like that makes this premeditated, sir.
No, I'm just a hired gunman, all right? That's all it is.
You a hired gunman? Who hired you?
I can't answer that one right now.
Well, what did Lincoln did?
What he do? Yeah, he wore a cut when he shouldn't have worn a cut, all right? That was disrespectful.
What kind of cut?
Just a cut, that's all you gotta need to know. You got ID on you?
No, I don't carry one.
I'm good, I'm Robin, hold on. Let me see if you got an ID on you. Oh, you don't have an ID. Thought you didn't have an ID, ma'am.
I didn't think I did.
Oh, well, you got a wallet with a bunch of different IDs.
126, is there anybody on duty that is not on this call on tag 2?
202. That's it.
My tac tracker is broken, Jace. How many people we got on tac right now?
You have 8 on your tac.
No badge.
8 on your tac.
AFM, is there any
Two of them
rangers
is
on
Air 1, I
duty?
believe. It's 2 of them is Air 1, so...
I have her at oil fields right now, yeah, where we took the other
Negative,
one.
you have Romeo 100 cadet. Can't join.
I can put her back in the car and we can go somewhere else. We can meet somewhere else.
Jace, attach tag 2, brother.
Favor.
306, 1041.
Alright. Now I'm gonna ask you a question. Would you rather be stabbed or shot?
I'd rather
26,
be
if you're
neither.
down and you can hear me, please send out your alpha.
Which one would you like?
I stand firm. I prefer neither, sir.
Are you guys okay on tag 2?
No, I'm not. I got an idea. Okay, then come up here and tell her. Okay. We're gonna have a chat.
Every fucking time I wear the white shirt.
We're gonna have a chat.
Yeah, I am a loot box.
Option 13, 10 footed.
You know, it shouldn't have gone this way. But
I
unfortunately,
agree,
it did.
sir.
Be advised, we've had...
You know, there are avenues to file
OIS
complaints against
on tag
officers that
2.
do stupid
We're
shit,
currently
sir.
sufficient. If we get pushed again, it
Yeah, but
could
that
be
don't
an
really
enforce,
work.
So just be on standby, please.
Well, no, I can assure you that the complaints are definitely investigated.
Okay. Well,
For context,
majority of the
zone
time,
4.
I make a complaint, nothing happens from it.
You've made a complaint before. What did you complain about?
Oh, I can't tell you that, because then you're gonna know who I am.
It's not true, sir.
No, I know your tactic. It ain't gonna work.
Listen, sir, even if you don't know the outcome of a complaint, I can assure you that they are all handled.
But okay, I'm glad they're handled. Instead of a complaint, we're handling it our way. Here's the guy. He knows more about it. He can explain it way better than I can.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hey, so
So, I gave you guys 48 hours to at least figure out what we're going to do or deal with this issue that occurred a couple days ago. It doesn't seem like things are getting better, especially when literally just now, actually, I get pitted out of a chase and I get told just absolutely heinous shit from a cop, like I'm talking to a gangster. I thought, I had cops, pitting me out of the chase, not a criminal, but it is what it is, I guess. But you guys aren't learning.
I told
So,
Stafford to join
like I
Sir,
said,
I have no idea what you're discussing, what you're even referencing. Some context would be helpful.
Sure. We had one of your detectives take a cut when we told him not to, and he put it on in front of us multiple times, which caused disrespect. And he hasn't, been around. It's a detective. His name's Lincoln. And I gave whoever I spoke to 48 hours, a British fellow, white shirt. And I said, we'll see what happens. I got to talk to somebody before I do anything else again. But I gave him my word that I wouldn't touch your cops for 48 hours. 48 hours have come and gone, and here we are. We left the other cop that we took alone. I don't know where you put him, but he's probably figuring that out.
Stop biting
wherever
me.
he's
This is
walking.
very awkward.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Can,
So
can
now
I
we
ask a
have you.
quick? Okay, yeah, I appreciate that. I appreciate you being forthcoming. In the event, that's not how I want to articulate this. You advise somebody in 48 hours. What is it that you expect us or would like to have seen within those 48 hours? If you haven't seen the officer around, how are we supposed to address it with said officer?
I mean, I don't know.
If you
I don't
haven't
see
seen him.
So
if we
you
ain't
guys
seen
work
him?
with them. I don't know if you have or not. That's what I'm saying. I gave you guys 48 hours. Now, what you guys information, it wasn't just that. It was acting like criminals when you guys are cops. The shit that happened to this gentleman to my left with Joey acting like an absolute fucking buffoon. And then today when I got pitted out of the chase getting shit talked the whole way through.
Hey, everyone.
All right, well, so unfortunately this conversation is going to get cut short. So we're going to let you go. And by let you go, we're going to shoot you. So I apologize.
I would really appreciate not. I would really, really appreciate not.
I would
It's
appreciate
not,
you guys to do better, but you guys aren't doing that
I
either.
feel like your point is that. Oh.
Maddie, are you free to go to that shots fired with Athena, please, on TAC 3?
Yeah.
I just need you to secure Kelly. Any additional units, please? I think they can take 2.
Okay, he's chasing the cars. I was like, where the fuck is he going?
What vehicle took it, by the way?
Pink pop hood vector.
It was 4 hood pop vectors, all zone 4. They took Kelly and I, put us into 2 different vectors. I got cut loose. They took.
RO of the car is shocked. Sorry, blazing plate.
The Vector here, smoking one.
The vectors are coming down Sustancia right now.
Get out of there. Get out of there now. Get out of there now. Keep going.
I just wanted to go to court, man. That's all I wanted.
So whoever's dealing with that, are we not on TAC 3?
It's an ongoing situation, escalated from TAC 2 over to TAC 3. Just try and get out of the area.
They're shooting Marshall down. His car blew.
I'm sorry.
Hawthorne, are you still up?
No. Look at my triaging.
Answer that. We have an officer down and 1 suspect over at Pink Cage. Oh, wow, not Pink Cage.
I got Kelly. Hang in there, honey, please.
Maddie, can you come to... Yep, I'm already here.
Okay,
So?
let's get Alpha units TAC 3 to help the marshal, please. They're gonna need 7. They're gonna need 7 on TAC. They've got 3.
202 is going TAC 3.
Oh, there's no one in this car.
Big TAC 3 to assist with the Alpha.
Tanya's Bork's in the background. Oh my god, I miss you, Froggy! Yeah, it's my little terrorist puppy. He's upset because I'm eating chicken nuggets.
Alright, I'm going a different way.
Rather than getting... I had nothing to do with any of this. This is the first time I ever been kidnapped and shot. He done pocket wiped me, man. Took all my goddamn shit. And my endurance pistol. I love that bitch.
Do you want me to secure upper pillbox?
I ain't got a gun. If I had my car, I'd have a gun. I thought they were gonna leave me. I thought one looked like Koji Hando, but
Here,
I
did
ain't
they
seen
pick up
him
their
around in a hot minute. No way they left him.
No, I believe they got in with another car. We have their car on scene. If we can swab that for fingerprints and get that RVD.
Dr. Z, I know gunshot wounds. I moved her before treating because of the situation. I'm so sorry.
I'm dead.
As
No,
well.
I got a very strong will to live. I'm not permaing. Not to those bitches. Not because of Jolie is a buffoon and Lincoln, well, Lincoln Cole's fucking stupid.
No, I have her. She's at pillbox with me.
It is a fact.
Maria, have you been taking pictures on their one? Yep. Sweet queen.
God, I hope so. Now I gotta write a fucking statement. I'm just gonna lay here for a minute. If I just lay here, would you lay with me? Oh, I'm tied up. Who texted me? Oh. I ain't doing the ICU neither. Fuck that. I'm going to court. I'll be injured though. I'll just walk with a limp for. God damn it! I'm suing Lincoln Cole and Joey. For being a buffoon. I really thought they were gonna just leave me at the courthouse. I should have, when he started walking away, I should have ran in and tried to hide. I guess I got. Ow!
Oh, you're alive.
Yeah, I can feel it. I can tell.
Oh my goodness.
I hate criminals. Oh my god, it's exploding. I don't know what's exploded, but...
202, I need one ground unit ready for evidence collection when we are done on this scene on Innocence and Little Bago.
I'm so upset.
I'm so sorry I had to move you when you were hurt, but there was so many shots going on. I just wanted to get you out.
Hey, from Air 1, you're also going to be assisting evidence collection by being their eyes in the sky. Affirm.
Hey, Verm.
I hate it here.
I'm glad you're okay though.
Define okay.
You're talking.
Where is the moment
breathing.
you need it the most? You kick up the leaves, the magic is lost.
Air, if you want to go to Skidstown, get a
I
refuel
mean, you're
before
singing,
we
so
go
I think
back in
that's a
the
pretty
south
good
side
song.
to get evidence.
I
That'd be
had
terrific.
a bad
Hey,
day.
Verm.
I don't know the words. It makes me sad.
Woo woo.
I don't know what to do.
Hey, you were the perfect diversion. They all went after you, so I snatched Kelly.
Ow.
You're doing evidence
Oh.
collection.
I
I
didn't
need you to
realize
come
you were
TAC 4, please.
Yeah, they had us up.
2-3's out of the hospital. Where do you need me?
Stand by for now. If you're on evidence collection, come TAC 4. That's Air 1, that's including you, please.
Do I not have enough on me?
I used to have one, but then they stole it.
Oh, you have a knife on me. Huh?
They stole my knife, my bandages, my pistol. I don't think they took my taser, but they took my wallet, my money, my IDs, my LSPD department issue wallet. Fuck that bitch. That's all I got to say.
Hey,
Ow.
406 on TAC. We're on TAC 2 if you want to hear what's going on.
Not particularly.
Okay.
There's a lot of people. Oh, I'm not on duty. I can't even get on that tax.
Quite went down. I managed to get Jace
my gun,
before anything happened to him.
my bandages. Oh.
I take it this is one of the grudges you mentioned to me, that you get snatched a bit.
No, this didn't have anything to do with me.
Oh.
I think they took one of my IDs. Took my driver's license.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, wait, no, I got two, though. Pretty sure they took my ID. Took my fucking gun. They took all my bandages. I feel robbed.
Oh,
what
you
was
were
here?
robbed.
What was there? Oh, my wallet.
Delta 98, clear from hospital. 10-8, where am I needed?
No, I can literally buy them.
There you go.
I have so much money. They took my money. I hate criminals. Oh, it had nothing to do with me. I was like, I literally have no idea what you're talking about. God damn it. Oh, God.
Well, we're good if you wanna exit.
Oh, it hurts. I don't like that one. I'll just do this one. I'm so upset. This is all I... Oh. Let me go check out.
Yeah, 126 on main. Anyone whose cruisers are left in the south side right now, please leave them where they are. We've got to go back in for evidence collection, and likelihood is it's not going to be
Want me to
quiet.
drop you off at
So
MRPD
give
or
us a chance
RPD?
to get that done, and then we'll get your personal vehicles towed to the station.
Yeah, that's... my car is actually at the courthouse parked. But we can go to whatever station's closest.
Is it parked across the street?
Yeah, it's in the parking lot. Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
I know. I ain't riding our emblems. All I wanted to do was go to court. I'm very upset by this. Oh, I gotta clock in before I go get... fucking white shirt. Every goddamn time my white shirt gets ruined. Changing my clothes. Oh, I can't see. Outfit. What's more formal PD shit? All black, no vest. Where's the tight pants and t-shirt? Oh, well. Let's put on a vest. I feel the need to have a vest. This one will do. I got my Kimbo tasers. This is the wrong pants, though. Oh. Okay, well, we're just gonna confirm it.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay.
No shit. Okay. I just got off the phone with Draz. The court is completely fine with extending and finding a different date because obviously, well, if you're not 100%, you know.
Oh, fuck them bitches. I'm going to court.
We're going to court. Okay. Great. I told Draz this was going to happen. I will, I'll give him a ring back and say we're on the way. All right?
I just need to buy a new loadout. It's fine.
Okay.
And I gotta write a...
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy 20 boxes of ammunition, 2 vests, max out my bandages.
Kelly, you're fit to testify and everything, right? Because you would never lie to me.
Yes, I'm fit to testify. I don't do drugs, sir.
She doesn't do drugs, so she's fit to testify.
He just took all my bandages.
I might come through.
What are your pants? I need to know what pants you're wearing, ma'am. Those are my favorite pants.
They're on rack 232.
Thanks. I don't know if this is gonna mess it up. Shoes. Outfits. Black. I'm gonna update. Alright, I'll just put on this armor.
Are you sure you should be on duty?
I'm not fighting crime. I'm going to court and fighting crime.
Oh, okay. Would you like me to go with you?
Just gonna refill my gun full of bullets.
Did you get your personal, Kelly?
Yeah, it's over there.
Okay, can you give me a ride over there, or can I drive you in your car over there?
Yeah, you can drive me in my car.
Because I think my personal's still out front of the fucking courthouse. Actually, no, it's impounded. It's impounded.
I don't know if they need you or not. There's probably a lot of
they're
bullets.
done with evidence. They already zoned it out.
Well, I really hope that.
Yeah, they're doing evidence, so I would stay. I mean, I would stay ready in case another alpha pops. To be so honest with you.
Wait.
I really hope somebody does their diligence. My car's
I think
right
they will,
here.
Kelly. I'm parking this car, and my personal got impounded, so I'm gonna drive. You know what? I'll take your car. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Here, I'll give you keys.
Okay. Let's go.
I actually carry a complete loadout in my box.
What
Yeah.
the fuck? Okay.
Whose car is that?
202. There's a upside down vector on the down ramp to RPD. RO Joseph Martinez.
What color is it?
I think it was tan. I don't know. It's Joseph Martinez.
Paper.
Yeah, I carry a taser, a pistol, taser cartridge, shotgun ammo.
Excuse me. Pardon me. Excuse me.
Can you get that sent to RPD, Jace?
I'm already at Occupation Courthouse again.
Did you
Yeah,
park
take
your
my
car here?
personal, so yeah, so I can park it.
Paper. Could somebody get that sent to RPD? That is potentially one of the cars.
406. Can you deal with that? It's out the exit door.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Thank you.
All right, let's try to go fight crime the second time.
Yeah.
PW should be coming to RPD with 2 police buffaloes now. If someone could please let them know.
Delta 98, I'm at the
I'm not walking faster than you.
Thank you.
Why'd they let you go?
Because apparently they don't want me. They want a command and not They want to command an MCD, and I'm not either of those, apparently. Somehow they could
Right.
distinguish that.
I'm not. Yeah, I told him I had nothing to do with MCD.
Right? Well, they don't know how to listen. Hi, Daphne.
Hello.
Oh, I'll let you. Thanks. Well, there's a paramedic that could have helped me.
Thanks for coming back.
Delta 98, the vehicle at the exit ramp for RPD is at Obey 9F, not a vector.
The state, I believe, should be ready.
Is it shot to shit?
Wonderful. Defense, you ready?
As I'll ever be, Your Honor.
Wonderful.
Not shot to shit, but it's in rough shape.
Alright. Alright, all rise. Court is now in session with the Honorable Magistrate.
Please be seated, y'all. I am Magistrate Jefferson T. Wishbone, and this is the trial for 2026 CM 105. And it's my understanding we've had a few disruptions already today, so I'm going to lay down some ground rules.
Oh, no.
Number
Yeah,
one,
thank you for the raid. My
if
heart is
there
happy.
are any outbursts from the audience, from the crowd, if there are cell phones ringing, you will be removed from the courtroom. There is no ifs, ands, buts, or about it. So sort that out now.
Oh, my God. He's,
This trial's already been delayed enough today by external circumstances. We are not going to let it be disrupted anymore. Furthermore, for counsel, you are to address the court. You are not to address one another. You will not be bickering. You will not be nagging, arguing, or any other form of that verbiage between one another.
Hey, from.
So, I say all that to say, the court is now in session.
Booth row B
And since court is now in
10-7, 5
session,
mics.
let's get the representation out of the way. State who is representing.
Delta 98 to units on evidence
Dre
collection.
Sherba,
When you get to the unit
prosecutor,
cruisers,
Department of Justice.
if you would document the
And
trunk
for the
of
defense.
the Scout, that would be my personal
Matthew Jacobs,
cruiser. I
State
have a
Public Defender, Your
documentation
Honor.
of what's in there.
All right.
I'll go and have a look for you now, Riley. Give me a second.
Thank you.
And is a ma'am in the corner also on this case?
Yes, that would be my paralegal, Kona Matsumara. They're currently thinking about something. I don't know what's interesting about that corner, but ought to be thought about.
Very well then. State, I have two questions for you. One, what are the charges being presented today? And two, are there any other charges from this incident that are relevant that were pled to otherwise?
The charges are 1 times robbery of jewelry from a licensed jeweler and 2 times aggravated hostage taking. I do not believe there was other charges. I'm not positive.
Oh, that's all right.
All right. Well, I would advise you to get positive, or else we're going to proceed as if there are none other.
There isn't.
There is not.
Lovely. So, Ms. Martin, I'm under this presumption you are still wishing to plead not guilty and continue out with this trial as we are sitting here today.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Wonderful. In that case, let's get started. State, it is your time for opening statements.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Okay. Today, the state will prove that on the evening of June 22nd, Evangelico's jewelry store was robbed by a group of 3 individuals, one of which was female, that this female was an active participant in both robbing the store and holding 2 citizens hostage in an aggravated manner, and finally the state will prove that this female robber was Olivia Martin. Thank you.
All right, short, sweet, and to the point. Defense, it is your opening statement to make.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can I approach the lector?
Do as you wish.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Your Honor, today the state is going to attempt to prove a narrative which is nothing more than that, a story. The defense does not believe that in this circumstance there is enough to tie Miss Martin to what is the state is alleging, and that is what we will prove today.
All right, I hope neither of you are getting paid by the word. All right, state, it is your case to make. Please present your first witness or your first piece of evidence.
State would call Sergeant Jace Flash to the stand.
If you don't stop fucking with shit, stop it. No,
Sergeant,
stop
come on
biting.
down, better if you could.
Look, give me that. Huh.
All right, would you like an oath or an affirmation?
Oath, please.
All right, this time do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Wonderful. State, you may begin direct.
Thank you. Would you please state your name, department, and rank for the court?
Hello, I'm Sergeant Jace Flash from San Andreas State Police.
And were you on duty June 22nd, 2026 at 11:30 p.m.?
I was.
Do you recall responding to any incidents around that time?
I do.
What kind of incident?
It was a robbery of the Evangelico's retail store up in Paleto Bay.
And how did you become aware of this robbery of the Evangelicos?
I received a cat alert through our dispatch system that the storefront was being robbed.
I did
due
not
to,
hear about a
the
clip.
automated security that we have set up with the Evangelico storefronts.
It's on my mouse.
State would move to admit Exhibit A, dispatch alert.
Any objections?
One moment to locate it, Your Honor.
It's on line 20, if that helps.
Yes, that does. No objection.
All right, proceed.
I'll have to look at it afterwards.
When you arrived
Ron
on
is
scene,
stupid.
was the robbery you received calls about still ongoing?
Yes, sir.
And during the course of the robbery, did the officers on scene take photographs of what was happening inside the Evangelicos?
Yes, sir. Plenty of photographs were taken of the actions taking in place inside the store.
State would move to admit all of Exhibit C, suspects inside the store.
Any objections?
Just one moment, Your Honor. There are a lot of sub-exhibits. No objection.
Proceed.
Thank you. How many total individuals were inside the store?
The total number was 5. There was 3 suspects armed with melee weapons and firearms alike, and 2 hostages.
And were all the individuals inside the store visually distinct?
They were.
Okay. And you said that there was 2 hostages, correct?
That is correct.
Were these 2 hostages free to go?
They were not free to go. They were used to exchange for certain demands from the suspect.
And what were those demands?
It was going to be free passage, no spikes to the vehicle that was on scene, and no marijuana.
Did you grant these demands?
Those demands were in fact granted, as officers had no reason to deny them.
Would you have granted these demands if the hostages were not present?
Not at all. If hostages were not present on scene, the store would have been breached.
the 3 robbers, what were the genders of the 3 individuals robbing the store?
Presumably, of course, there was 2 males and 1 female inside.
Did you witness the female robber stealing jewelry?
I did.
Did she use force and/or violence to gain access to the jewelry?
She did. She used a blunt force weapon to break open the cases of the jewel store.
Thank you. Was there a vehicle parked immediately outside the Vangelico?
Yes, there was.
After the robbery was complete, did all of the robbers get into that vehicle?
Yes, all 3 suspects had entered the vehicle.
During the robbery, did officers take photo of that vehicle?
Yes, there was. The photos taken of the vehicle.
State moves to admit exhibits D1 and D2, car on scene back and front.
Defense.
No objection.
Proceed.
Did officers look up who the registered owner of that vehicle was?
Yes. Yes, we did.
Who was it registered to?
The vehicle was registered to one Olivia Martin.
State moves to admit exhibit D3, car on scene registered owner.
Defense.
No objection.
Proceed.
After the robbers got into the vehicle, did they drive away?
Yes, they did.
Were officers able to pursue?
Yes, we were.
Did you participate in this pursuit?
I did. I was the primary pursuing vehicle in the pursuit.
Okay, thank you. During the course of the pursuit, did you notice any 301 calls that seemed relevant to this incident?
Yes, I did notice one 301 call that was relevant.
State moves to admit exhibit E, 301 stolen vehicle.
Defense.
No objection.
Proceed.
Sergeant Flash, if you could please open up and look at exhibit E on line 20 of the docket. Let me know when you have that.
Yep. Yep, I got it up here.
Okay. Is this the relevant 311 call?
Yes, it is. Where my little cursor of my tablet was, where I took this screenshot. Yes, this is the relevant 311 call.
Who placed this 311 call?
Would be one Olivia Martin.
And from where was this 301 call placed?
Is going to be right before the intersection of Strawberry and Integrity Way, catty corner to Lower Pillbox Medical Center.
Thank you. And did you become aware of this 301 call immediately when it was placed, or only later on?
I became aware of it immediately when it was placed. I tend to monitor my dispatch alerts pretty frequently while chasing vehicles due to vehicle flags, which you can see below in Exhibit E of the flagged vehicle, just to see location and heading, and I became of this 301 instantaneously as it was placed.
Instantaneously. Thank you. Prior to this 301 call coming in, had officers lost contact with the fleeing vehicle?
Hey Siri,
Officers had not.
where are you?
And at the moment of the 301 call, where was the fleeing vehicle?
Hey Siri, where are you?
At the moment of the 301 call, the fleeing vehicle was in the exact location that the 301 call was made.
Fucking dog!
As the speed was of high rates, the vehicle quickly left that area, and I passed over top of where the 301 call was placed.
Thank you. Olivia Martin's name has came up twice in this incident. First as the registered owner of the vehicle, and then again as the one that placed that 301 call. Did you consider her a suspect for the robbery?
Always you consider the registered owner of a crime a suspect until proven otherwise. And this 301
I don't
call
remember
coming
why I
from
wanted
the
my
exact location of where the vehicle was definitely
What was I
solidified
looking
that
for?
belief. And
I don't remember.
that she was inside the store and inside that car.
Did you look up Olivia Martin's profile in your MDT?
I did.
Does she have a mugshot on file?
She does.
State moves to admit Exhibit F, Olivia Martin mugshot.
Defense.
No objections so long as the limitations on scope from the initial admission are still in effect.
Yes. State, remember to keep this solely to the appearance. Any prior incidents will be shut down immediately.
Understood, Your Honor. Sergeant Flash, can you please look at Exhibit F? Let me know when you have it up.
Yeah, I got it here.
Is this the mugshot you found on her profile?
This is indeed the mugshot I found on the profile.
Thank you. Did you look into any previous incidents involving Olivia Martin for a more recent photograph?
I did.
Was one of those incidents a traffic stop on April 20th, 2026?
It was.
State moves to admit Exhibit G, Olivia Martin, April 20th, 2026 at traffic stop.
Defense.
No objection.
All right.
Sergeant Flash, can you please pull up Exhibit G? Let me know when you have that up.
Yep, I got it up here.
Is this a photograph of Olivia Martin you found on one of her previous incident reports?
Yes, it was.
Okay. During the Vangelico robberies, did the female robber have her hair covered?
Be safe.
She did not have her hair covered, no.
Did the female robber have hair that is the same color as Olivia Martin in these two photographs?
She did.
And did the female robber have hair that was in the same style as Olivia Martin in these two photographs?
She did.
During the Vangelico's robbery, did the female robber have her forehead covered?
No, she did not.
Did the female robber have skin that is the same color as Olivia Martin in these two photographs?
Yes, she did.
Thank you. Defense witness.
How many people in the state of San Andreas do you believe
right,
have
Mr.
that
Jacob,
same hair
whenever you're ready.
color? How
Thank
about
you,
that
Your Honor.
hairstyle?
Good evening, Sergeant Flash. I hope you're well, aside from the recent hospital visit.
Oh, luckily it wasn't me, but I appreciate your gratitude.
I'll try and keep this as chronological as I can.
Okay.
So I want to draw your attention back to State's Exhibit E, the 311 call with the attached map, if you could have that pulled up for me.
Sure. I got that pulled up.
All right, so it was your previous testimony that the vehicle pursuit passed through this area? Is that accurate?
Yes, it passed over the area and the immediate place where the 311 call was placed, yes.
Did you witness anyone make a phone call?
If you are talking from outside of the vehicle, no. There was no one on the sidewalks at the time where the 311 call was placed. As
See the call
vehicle. Did I see the call placed? I cannot see inside a speeding vehicle that has blacked out window tint, so I could not see the call placed from inside the vehicle. No.
Okay, thank you. You stated in your earlier testimony that based on the Miss Martin being the registered owner of the vehicle and that she placed a 911 call reporting her vehicle, that you considered her a suspect?
She placed a 301 call from the exact location that the vehicle was traveling. So, yes, I believe she was inside that vehicle and thus a suspect.
One moment to shuffle through my notes here. Oh. Oh. Had a pebble in my
Happens to the best of us.
My apologies. Is it possible for more than one person to have the same hair color?
Sure, of course.
What about hairstyle? Is that does everyone get assigned one, or can anyone have any hairstyle?
No one's assigned a hairstyle. I believe that would be ridiculous.
It's good to know. Just one moment to confer your. One moment, I got all confident and walked back up here, and now it seems to have slipped my mind.
Happens to the best of us.
Oh, I found it. It was in that drawer of my brain. Did you attempt to make contact with the 311 caller after the call had been placed?
If you mean by did I try to call their phone number? No, I was in a active vehicle pursuit. I did not have time to pull over during, and afterwards I was dealing with securing the vehicle once it was located and writing a debrief of the incident.
And to your knowledge, no other officers attempted contact?
No other officers attempted to contact.
Objection calls for speculation.
I didn't ask him to speculate. I asked to his knowledge if it occurred. If he did not know if it occurred, the answer to the question would be no.
Yeah, I'm gonna overrule this one. Mr. Flash can attest to what he knows.
To my knowledge, no.
No further questions at the.
No redirect.
Lovely. Any party need Mr. Flash here for recall?
No, I
State has
can't
no
have
plans
you
for
biting
recall.
me when I'm on the stand.
Thank-
Stop!
He's not on our witness list. We can't call him,
Ow.
Your Honor. He's free to.
Lovely.
No.
Even better.
Get out.
Mr. Flash, you are free to go. Stay, go, do what you want.
Whatever is making your heart happy.
Stay. It is still your case to make. What else you got for us?
State would call Lieutenant Kelly Price Cutter to the stand.
Yeah.
Good evening. Would you like oath or affirmation?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Which one?
Oh, I'll take a oath today.
Alrighty. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Alrighty. Thank you.
Stop it.
Stay, Lieutenant Price, is yours to question.
Thank you. Would you please state your name, department, and rank for the court?
Lieutenant Kelly Price, San Andreas State Police.
Were you on duty June 22nd, 2026 at 11:30 p.m.?
I was on duty, yes, that evening.
Did you respond to the same Evangelico robbery as Sergeant Flash?
I did.
How many individuals did you observe robbing the Evangelico?
There were 3 individuals robbing that Evangelico store.
And what were the genders of the 3 individuals robbing the Evangelico?
2 of the individuals appeared physically to be male, and 1 visually appeared to be a female.
Thank you. Before officers arrived on scene in Polito, were the store's CCTV system able to be accessed?
Yes. Oh, go ahead.
Were any photographs from the CCTV system taken?
Yes, I was at RPD. When we attached to the call, I was with Cadet Thompson, and I accessed the CCTV cameras and took several photographs from the CCTV camera feed.
Thank you. State would move to admit all of Exhibit B CCTV photos.
Vance.
No objection.
Proceed.
Lieutenant Price Cutter, if you could please open up and look at Exhibit B3 on line 20 of the docket. Let me know when you have that open.
Okay.
Is the female robber present in this photo?
Yes, it would be the individual in the blue coveralls with the brown hair.
Is she holding anything?
Yes, she appears to be holding a Class 1 pistol.
Are pistols intended to be used in a way that is likely to cause death?
I would say yes, a firearm is capable of causing serious bodily injury or death when it's discharged at a person.
Can death be easily and readily produced using a pistol?
Yes.
And in this photograph, where is she pointing her pistol?
At the 2 individuals that were hostage.
Thank you. After you arrived in Polito, did you witness the female robber stealing jewelry?
I did.
Did she use force and/or violence to gain access to the jewelry?
Yes, she was smashing the cases open with a crowbar.
After the robbery turned into pursuit, did you participate in the pursuit?
Yes, myself and Cadet Thompson attached to the pursuit. I was a passenger and he was the driver of the vehicle.
Thank you. During the course of the pursuit, did you notice any 311 calls that seemed relevant to this incident?
I did.
If you could please open up and look at Exhibit E on line 20 of the docket. Let me know when you have that open.
E?
E, yes.
Okay.
Is this the relevant 311 call?
Yes.
Did you become aware of this 311 call immediately when it was placed, or only later on?
It was pretty much immediately. As I was the passenger in the vehicle, I was able to attend to things like that.
Prior to the 311 call coming in, had officers lost contact with the fleeing vehicle?
To the best of my recollection, there were consistent radio communications calling out the direction, turns, etc. of the vehicle, indicating no officers had lost visual of the vehicle from the time that it had fled the scene. Eventually, we did lose visual of it, but that was several minutes after that 311 call had been placed.
Okay, thank you. At the moment of the 311 call, where was the fleeing vehicle?
I was traveling westbound on Integrity Way, approaching Strawberry Avenue.
Were there any pedestrians in the vicinity of the vehicle at that time?
Myself and Cadet Thompson were running parallel. We were headed northbound on Center Street. We made the left turn on Integrity Way within seconds after the pursuit had passed through there when the 311 call had been made. And we saw, or I personally did not see any individuals or vehicles in that area.
Thank you. Defense witness.
All right. Mr. Jacobs, she is all yours.
Thank you, Your Honor. Lieutenant Price Cutter, I hope you feel above average today. I'll try and keep this as swift as possible.
Fucking dog. Stop eating my plant! Asshole. Oh God. Thank God. What's this case? Olivia Martin. She placed a 311 call from inside of her fleeing vehicle from Evangelico's robbery and didn't place it anonymously. He missed a couple of questions. There were some important questions he should have asked, but he'll learn. Am I missing some questions? Do you have any questions? Is he asking me any questions?
Just to confirm, when the 311 call was placed, you stated that you and your additional were parallel and you did not see the vehicle when the call was being placed?
We were headed up Center Street going northbound. It intersects perpendicular to Integrity Way. The call was placed between Center Street and Strawberry Avenue. And we had seen the pursuit pass visually ahead of us going westbound as we were headed northbound to intersect the pursuit and make that left onto Integrity Way.
Sorry, I'll rephrase. As much as your description was excellent, I can paint the picture perfectly in my head. I'll just ask it in a yes or no fashion. Did you see the vehicle when the call was placed? Did you have visual eyes directly on it?
At the exact second that the call was placed, no.
Okay, I have nothing further then. Thank you.
It was around the corner. It had literally just passed by.
Redirect.
No redirect.
All right. Anybody need Lieutenant Price on recall?
No plans to recall.
And I'm assuming the same story for you, Mr. Jacobs.
Yes, Your Honor, no intent to recall. We hope Lieutenant Price Cutter has an above-average rest of her day and recovers from that gunshot wound as swiftly as possible.
Yep, Lieutenant, you are free to step down. I'm very sorry to hear about your white shirt from earlier, and I do not envy your dry cleaning bill.
Thank you, sir. That means a lot.
State, anything else for us?
State rests.
All right, defense. You got anything for us?
He missed a couple
We
of
have
things.
no witnesses to call nor evidence to present, Your Honor. So we rest as well.
All right, lovely. Are you two ready to go with closing statements, or do you need a moment?
State is ready.
Counsel is ready to proceed.
All right. Well, in the measure of expediency, let's get right to it. State, whenever you are ready, please continue with your closing argument.
Thank you. Today, you have heard officer testimony and been provided evidence that the female robber both violently broke into cases and stole goods and held 2 citizens at gunpoint in order to force concessions from the police that responded. This is best seen in exhibits C9 and B2. This is all largely uncontested. The real question before the courts today is, has the state proved that this individual was Olivia Martin? We have. You have seen the logged 301 call from that night from Olivia Martin claiming her car was stolen. Along with the contents of the call is the triangulated location from where the call was placed. You have heard the testimony of 2 officers highly skilled in perception that the 301 call was immediately noticed by them, and that at the moment the location of the car and the location of the 311 call were a match. They both testified that there was no pedestrian traffic in that area, and officers did not lose contact with the vehicle prior to this call. All 3 robbers were still inside. What really chaps my britches is that as far as a ruse to try to throw off the police investigation, it's not even a good one. I quote, "OMG, my car has been stolen. Please put a bolo out. Thank you, officers." End quote. Not only does her fake story require that somehow she missed her car being taken for an extended period of time, over 20 minutes alone, it was parked in front of the jewelry store based on the evidence timestamps, but also that she is present at the intersection of the chase involving her car and still remains unsure of its location, asking that officers be on the lookout for it. Had this message been something more akin to, "Hey, that's my car you're chasing, someone must have stole it," she would have still been foiled by the lack of pedestrians in the area, but at least the message wouldn't have been such an obvious lie.
Thank you. That's actually
the
pretty
fact of the matter is that the call came from inside the car, and that Olivia Martin is the female robber. The female robber had her forehead, skin tone, and hair color and style on display for officers to see during the course of the robbery. All 3 of these visual markers match not only her mugshot, but her more recent photo from a traffic stop. The state asks that you find Olivia Martin guilty of all charges. Thank you.
You are such a cute puppy. That was actually pretty funny. That was a good closing.
All right, defense, whenever you're all ready.
What up, what up?
Thank you, Your Honor. The defense would like to thank the court and
I believe
the
that
witnesses
is Miss
today for their
Curry.
testimony. Your Honor, the defense finds it simple. At no point during this trial has the state been able to point to any piece of evidence that identifies the defendant as who they claim her to be. Hairstyle is not something that alone can determine someone
It is the
as
totality
or
of the
be a measure
circumstances,
of
Mr.
identification,
Jacobs.
nor can skin tone or hair color. Even full clothing has been ruled in courts in San Andreas to not be enough to identify an individual.
Stop
Because
it.
people
No.
wear the same
No.
clothes, people go to the same barbers, people use the same hair dye or are born with the same hair color. Skin tone is also not something that each person is different. At the end of the day, the only thing is a 311 call of someone whose car was stolen and the police presumed them guilty before any chance of assuming that they were innocent beforehand.
Ow.
Now,
I
Counselor
arrest
Sherba's
based on facts
monologue
and
at the end of
evidence.
his closing regarding it being a lie is not supported by anything in evidence. And an individual's statement that is made in shock of their car being stolen can hardly be held against them. There have been much worse statements that have been made, and I assure you that this statement is only the tip of the iceberg of what people will say when they are in distress.
Ow!
The defense once again
Ow.
thanks the court for its time and
Ow.
hopes that it will render the
Ow.
correct verdict of not guilty.
Stop biting me.
All right, lovely. We've been very expedient, and I thank all parties for that. Give myself and Madam Chief Justice around about 15 minutes to come to a conclusion, and we will have one here today. I have no doubts about it. Court is in recess.
Thanks for taking notes. They didn't end up being super useful here, but, you know, you never know until after the fact if they will be. I mean, the question is the 301 enough? And that's what the case is.
Yeah, that is
sorry.
Talking out loud.
Coming over. Listen, it ain't just the 311. It is the totality of the circumstance. It is the vehicle. Yes. It is the 311 placed. Listen, literally from inside of that damn car.
I mean, I made all the
description.
arguments. I agree with you, but like, you know, it's mostly the 311. A lot of it was just establishing, hey, these charges fit. There was a gun at the hostages. There was breaking into the cases. That's
the
all
hair stuff
busy
was for
work.
me to try to get the warrant, approved and be like, hey, I think I am in a probable cause.
It's useful supporting. It could have ruled her out, maybe. It's something that we're always going to bring up. The defense is always going to, for the most part, successfully diminish it. It's not worthless, but it's not worth a whole lot. But combined with the rest, it helps, and so we should always bring it up.
Listen, I love your closing statement. The part about, oh my god, my car's been stolen, put out a bolo. Not, you're chasing my car.
It's not like she could, assuming that she's the one in the car, which I do believe she do. Like, she had as much time in the world to like prep
She identified herself in a damn call.
She could have prepared a much more convincing lie than, hey, I'm right here next to where the chase is happening, but no, maybe I'm a couple feet away in like the bushes. But I don't know where my car is. I'm just happening.
There's actually no bushes there. It's
I know.
Street.
But she could have waited for bushes, right? Like a trash can. She could have been in a trash can. You ever seen Sesame Street?
Ow! Sesame.
Until she wasn't being chased by the police.
Oscar the Grouch. You never know where people live. Is the point?
Stop
He lives in
biting
garbage
me.
can.
No.
He still does, probably.
Stop it. No.
I checked in on him in a little bit.
That's pretty good.
But, yeah, I don't know if you guys heard. The defense, or the defendant apparently arrived on scene with Daphne Valentino, and then someone asked if Daphne Valentino was with the kidnappers, and she said yeah, and then like put a flag on.
Yeah, I will have told me about that.
Okay.
Ow. Ow.
Some
Ow.
great
Ow.
friends to have,
No.
You stick together.
Is someone gonna come by to collect statements, or they want us to email that to what's her face?
I think they're still doing evidence collection for this whole
because
thing. I'm gonna be so real.
There was 9 of us standing out there, so that's 9 times assault with a deadly.
Yeah.
If only our officers would push that.
A lot of us were government officials.
Stop biting me!
Aggravated assault with a deadly.
Come here.
Well,
I even had my badge on.
Whoever's in charge of that investigation, tell them that I want, at least for me, assault with the deadly charged. Preferably for everyone there. Fuck those people.
I agree. I want aggravated kidnapping and aggravated robbery and aggravated attempted premeditated murder.
Oh, if we can prove witness tampering,
I thought you agreed to saying fuck them. I'd agree to that too.
Yeah, you need to have the goal. I don't think, unless you guys have discovered something, you can prove the goal was to
I
fuck up the court
don't
case.
think it was related to the court case.
Yeah, but they definitely assaulted all of us.
Could be considered obstruction of justice.
I think it was a moment of opportunity, considering that if they read the docket, they saw that Kelly Price and myself are going to be here.
I can't believe the fucking warlord didn't have any guns.
What a shitty warlord. Where's
I
he
had
even
a
at?
gun, but I didn't fancy my
Fucking Vance,
chances
bro.
1v3 while you guys are all cuffed up. So
No, especially against those guys. I'm gonna be so real. Those guys, they'll 1v3 us.
I used to have a gun.
you want mine?
No, that would
That's
be
a
a
lawful possession.
criminal
Up there.
offense.
Well, I mean, you're a cop, right? You could just say you confiscated it temporarily.
No, I went
Maybe
and bought
he's
a new one.
intoxicated.
But now I need to test fire this one.
So, who wanted to make statements? It was you two, probably Rick as well, right?
Rick? Who's Rick?
Brick.
Oh, Brick.
Hamza? Oh, Brick, yeah.
Brick. No.
There you go.
Oh, Miss Clarkson were there.
She was there. I saw her writing a statement.
Oh, yeah. Was Mr. Jacobs there yet? I don't think so.
No, Jacobs was not awake.
Dang.
It was Willow, Hamza, Vance,
Jefferson.
me.
Corrections.
Not corrections.
I really
correct.
thought they was gonna forget about me and take the corrections officer. No, they changed their mind.
I like counting. It was like 9, I think, were total standing out there. I think everyone's statement's going to be pretty much the same, but just having the statements that you can articulate. This is how many assault charges you need to charge. Makes sense.
Yeah.
You might as well just write an affidavit.
He wrote me a statement, so I'm fast that along to Silas because apparently he's taking primary on it.
Makes sense.
I just,
That's
I saw everything happen. Then I saw the ambo across the street, and I'm like, oh well, this is gonna go interestingly.
Yeah, I'm glad he called it in or whatever.
Poor Dante though, he thought Brick was me, so he kept saying Jace is still at the courthouse. I'm like, no, I'm not.
Oh. Oh, dang, that was
All right,
quick.
this court is back in session.
Everybody may be seated. I would ask the defendant to stand during my ruling. So what we have here is a really interesting case, top to bottom, that occurred on the 22nd of June, in which an uncontested woman was seen pointing a gun at various hostages, as well as breaking into various cases of jewelry at Evangelicals up in Paleto Bay. And so we're left with, how does this connect to Levy Martin? And on scene, the registered owner of the vehicle being used to get away was Miss Levy Martin. And alone, there's really not much. You know, people have access to all sorts of vehicles all the time. And so we go to the other things that the state brought forward. You know, the hairstyle, the hair color, the skin tone of the forehead of the female robber, and all of those are really negligible. We even go to the contents of the 311 message I will get to a bit further in a second. And, you know, the contents that chapped Mr. Sherba's britches so heavily. The contents are not really much of anything. The key piece of evidence that the state has brought forward today is that a 311 call was placed by Ms. Martin in what appears to be the present area, if not the very vehicle that these evangelicals robbers were fleeing from. So, now that we have indicated Ms. Martin, we have to eliminate the other possibilities and rooms for doubt, and I will commend the state on their process of doing so. Both
It's not
officers
enough.
that-
How is
that
it
took the
not
stand here
enough?
today, who are in separate vehicles, attested that there were no pedestrians in that location where the 311 call was made in that immediate time around the call was placed. Both officers found that there was no loss of visuals between the police and the vehicle being pursued by the police. So, where does this leave us?
I like his accent. I like his new character.
This leaves us with a simple truth. Ms. Martin made a mistake, a serious mistake. If this call was not placed at all, I'd have no other choice but to go not guilty based on the lack of tangible evidence, no fingerprints, no blood, no nothing. But because this call was placed and there is other options,
Montana
all
Moss
eliminated
on the new
by the
character.
police and the testimony brought forth here today. No other pedestrians. Eyes on the vehicle being in the immediate area where the call was placed at the time the call was placed. I am left with one decision, and that is guilty on all counts. So, with that in mind,
He makes
state,
me
what
nervous.
is your
He does so
recommendation
well.
for sentencing and or fine?
The state would recommend the default, which is $5,250 and 115 months.
Defense, do you have a counter for that?
One moment for me to do some math, Your Honor.
Oh, here, let me, where did it go? Where is the clip? Oh, let's look at it. DOJ socked me right in the nose. Oh, I remember this. Oh my god.
I'm sorry, Damien's husband may or may not have accidentally kicked him.
Oh no.
No, DOJ socks me right in the nose.
Oh my god. Got that? Got the shoes? Yeah.
I can't open this because it went to the.
Do you know what that sound like to me? Lady DOJ, that sound like admission of guilt. What is the counter? What's this? I have to go after this. I gotta get my ass up at 5:30 in the
Your Honor, the defense would
fucking morning.
counter-argue for the matter of time for a time of 80 months. While we do understand the state's recommendation is that the standard for these charges. However, the defendant has been on bail for, I
Bail
believe,
is not
he would be coming
considered.
up on about 5 weeks. with no issues as regarding to the breach of bail, has come to trial and
Perfect. She's eligible for a bail return.
went through all of the due process, and while the verdict was not in the defense's favor this time, nonetheless, at least the defense counsel would feel it's to encourage individuals to actually take their matters to court and not be frightened of the court system.
You don't have to be frightened of court. It has nothing to do with being frightened of court.
Okay. State, you got anything for that, or are you just happy with the arguments you've already made?
State's gonna maintain its recommendation. Bail is not a punishment. It's just how we ensure that people show up for court.
She'll be eligible for a bail
Alright.
return. That's perfect.
Well, my decision regarding sentencing will be as follows. We are going to go with the defense's recommendation of 80 months because
Fuck that bitch.
Due to the pause in the Speedy Trial Act, Ms. Martin has been on bail longer than most people would have been on bail. And so, as Mr. Jacobs so kindly put it, we do want to encourage people to see through the court process. And Ms. Martin, I do want to reassure you that your case was a good one today, and it was not frail on the surface. But before we adjourn, I want to address something. And it is the elephant in the room. The two witnesses for this case were kidnapped from the courthouse steps by a gang. Now, at this point in time, Ms. Martin, I do not have anything that connects you to that incident, and therefore I am not punishing you for that incident. If it comes to my attention, if it comes to the court's attention, that you in any way participated in this kidnapping and the shooting of Ms. Kelly Price Cutter, I will find reason to issue witness tampering and contempt of court for you. The courtroom is a place where people are meant to be safe, and we do not want to let hooliganism overrun our courts. As long as that is understood by all, this court is adjourned, and Ms. Martin is to serve 80 months and pay a fine of $5,250. Thank you.
Perfect.
Nice.
Great job. Thumbs up. If it didn't hurt, I'd give you a thumbs up.
All right, do we want to move her out first?
I'm glad I questioned the way I questioned. And
Very
I'm
much so.
glad they got you, Jace, to talk about the lack of pedestrians, because I didn't ask you about the pedestrians originally. He did.
It's true.
Oh, that was nice. That was nice.
I'm sorry?
You did
It
good.
is nice. It is nice.
Layla Diaz?
I'd say thank him, but he might not want to be thanked.
Yeah, he might not want to be thanked for that one, yeah.
Oh.
You probably gonna have to because.
I mean, honestly, thanks to the defendant for placing the call. Like the
Yeah.
judge said.
I know.
If she didn't do that, she would have gotten away.
Sure would. Did we ever go after James?
He default judgment against him.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, he didn't show up. He didn't respond to anything, so default judgment.
That was pretty
turned
funny.
himself in either, I believe, and so contempt.
Oh,
At
hell
least
yeah.
once it gets around to being written.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty funny. I just kept calling his phone. And then he put it on busy. And I watched him do it. It was so funny.
Yeah, originally that one came down first, and I was gonna merge these dockets, and I'm glad it didn't happen because they're actually fairly different. But also, I love free wins.
Hey,
I have
Kelly.
2 defaults.
Hello.
Would you like to
Hello.
process Miss Martin's fine? If not, we'll handle it.
Oh, yeah, you guys send it.
All right.
Be perfect.
You're asking the
Right,
shot
thank you.
lady to do work?
I know, I'm
That's
on
just-
vacation.
Can I chat with you?
That's
for a
just
minute?
what that's just what my sergeant asked. So.
Please, Queen, if you wouldn't mind, that would be amazing. I'll just reply to the free one.
Oh. Back
Mr.
on the radio.
Sherby,
Yes?
Come here a second. Come here a second.
I like how he talks.
Yeah, he's a really interesting feller. I've never seen this judge before, so I was kind of nervous. They always make me nervous. And then when he started, I was like, oh my god.
Are you guys okay?
No,
Yeah.
I'm not okay.
Did you guys catch those fuckers?
Occupation courthouse.
I cannot discuss an ongoing investigation, Mr. Darwish.
I think that's a no then.
I'm very upset. That was a thumbs up work, though. That was a good job.
Yeah.
I wonder what he's telling him right now.
I wonder.
Not a clue.
Sorry about that. I had to go get complimented.
Oh, God. And I want to compliment you,
wow.
too. That was fantastic. You was clearly prepared. You clearly thought about the evidence. You thought about the case. You looked at the penal code and articulated every element of each charge asserted.
That's my fucking favorite move, is just pulling quotes out of the penal code, having these weird-ass fucking questions like, was violence used to get this jewelry?
Exactly. Yeah. Ask all the stupid questions. Did you ever lose visual of the car? Did you ever see the car stop? Anybody get out of the car? Anybody different get in the car? No,
Are one of
that's
you
crazy.
able to unlock the door so I can give the statement to the outside? Or whoever she's
yeah,
waiting?
yeah. But thumbs up, man. I appreciate it. You should train the rest of the DOJ.
I don't know if I'm quite there yet, but you know.
Sorry, all the DOC was in the other room. And I just saw my
You
response.
did great.
Thank you.
Bashing your face earlier.
I'm scared to go outside. Where'd Jace go? Well, Jace might have went outside.
Died earlier.
Did he leave with my car? I was scared to come out here for a second.
Yeah.
Wasn't sure what was gonna happen.
Louisa, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm trying to find Sasha.
She's outside here.
What? Okay, she wasn't there before.
No, she wasn't.
I added all in the
notes. Statements. Okay, perfect.
Hey, also,
Yes.
while you're here, other note statement from Draz, that
Okay.
guy.
Perfect.
Hello.
Yep. I handed your statement off to this one.
Perfect.
Ooh, let me get my statement.
There's do you know if corrections wants to make a statement?
They probably will.
I'm not sure.
I'll go check real quick.
There's
I
a
know I
lot
saw
of
the
people
Safra
here
guy
that
making
might,
one.
might want to make a statement.
Vance, I think, passed out in the courtroom and hasn't woken back up for a while. But I know he was there. I don't know if he wants to make a statement. I didn't see him working on one.
Alright. Just a moment here.
Hamza Darwish, the Chief Justice, Miss Clarkson, was there. There's a lot of people there.
I think I want to say it was 9 total. Judge, police, DOC, me, you, her, and Vance. I think that's the 9.
It is 9. That's also what I recall.
And then whatever they did to the ambulance guy.
His name's Elijah.
Elijah, okay.
Well, 3, Rowdy
I'm terrible with names. I'm
That's
sorry.
okay. His name and call sign's on my statement.
Is there any other statements here that I'm collecting?
Probably not right. His I think Willow's
Perfect.
busy.
Go ahead,
Willow
get
wants to
that.
make one, but you know.
Okay. Yeah, no, she's busy.
She's busy. And corrections is about to leave, so I'll shoot one of them a text and be like, "Hey, if you want to make a statement, send it to me or you or Silas or something, you know."
Yeah, they gotta transport a guilty defendant.
Yeah.
I think this is the end of my time as a lawyer. I'm 2 for 2 on losses.
Ooh.
Mr. Jacobs.
I think
Is
you
it
did a
Jacobs?
fine job. Yeah, you did everything you could.
I am 2 for 2 in winning.
Can I
It was
say
back-to-back
something,
days
sir?
in court too.
Listen, though.
Well, I would not want to infringe upon your First Amendment right.
Oh, perfect. I wouldn't want you
All right,
to.
if there's no more statements here at this time, I'm gonna get these out of here. Appreciate you all.
You're good, yeah.
Thanks.
Something I learned a long time ago, sir, is that it's not about winning or losing. It's about justice, number 1. And number 2, it's only, if you want to look at it in columns, which I don't think is right, but if you want to look at it, it's only a loss if you didn't learn something. Every time
also-
I've ever lost in court, what did I learn? What do I need to do next time? How do I improve? What
I
questions
need to
could I
learn
have
if
asked?
if it's up against Kelly Price, whether as the officer or as the prosecutor, I should send it to opt-in so I don't have to take the law.
Well,
I mean, honestly, isn't it kind of your
Mr.
job to lose?
Ooh.
Mr.
Just
Serba
no.
did an amazing job. I give it all to him.
I only count things as wins or losses if they were winnable or losable. And like, you know, if you fucked it up, then do better. But if there was nothing you could have done, everybody.
Oh, like
know,
I
it
did
doesn't
with the
count.
probable cause hearing? That was great.
I mean, that's a fuck up on my part for not being like, hey, this is a judge warrant. Like, I didn't realize it was a judge warrant until I was standing in the courtroom. So.
Oh, I knew it was a
I don't
judge
need
warrant.
you, but I'll take you.
I had a copy of the warrant. I knew everything to do with it aside from the PC affidavit, and there wasn't really much different.
Oh,
I
well,
just didn't know
then
the
you learned
difference
something.
between the PC hearing and the preliminary hearing, and that I screwed myself from the very beginning
Well, I
by
think they
saying I
said
wasn't
that-
challenging the warrant.
Well, I think if you wanted to challenge the
Well, what
warrant,
did you
there'd be an
learn?
appeal case, they said.
I learned that I can challenge PC affidavits in the trial court, and it's not only an appeals thing. Because I would always just go to the appeals court, say, hey, I need this PC affidavit, and rarely would I ever contest them. Turns out, if an arrest is stemmed from it, the trial court...
Alright, well, we
Why
gotta get
I'll
out
never
of
be
here.
a judge. That's a whole lot of effort.
Oh, well, I wouldn't know. We should go.
I'm gonna cross the street at the same time as you guys.
Maybe that'll be my retirement plan. Well,
Yeah.
listen, if somebody wants to take us to gunpoint, it'll probably be fucking me.
No, they'll see the white shirt. Right? Yeah,
Oh,
you white
shit.
shirt. Come here.
Why did I wear a white?
shit, I
Every
should've brought-
fucking time I wear a goddamn white shirt.
I should have brought my lanyard with me, so it's like, hold on, I'm your lawyer, you should take me.
1742.
Yeah, right.
That
Honestly,
hasn't stopped people. That has
To be
not stopped
fair,
people.
you don't have to have a badge on to be counted as a government official. Nor do you have to identify
really?
yourself.
Yeah, well, I tell them I'm their lawyer and that I can't represent them if they take me, and then they're like, oh, okay,
No.
we'll find someone else.
That's fair.
And I realized that technically, they just told me that they were going to commit a crime, so I should call 911, but I don't think any time that has happened that I have.
I would advise that you do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I called
Alright.
911 whenever I was in visitation the other day because people climbed the roof of the garage right outside the prison.
Audio.
They were just looking in.
See ya.
I'm making you drive. I don't want to drive.
Hey, firm.
I feel too injured to drive. I'm taking a day off.
202 back to the com. RPD with 1 Kelly Burr.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, that one.
God damn it. I'm so upset.
Why?
They shot me and robbed me. Fuck them bitches.
I know. And then we thought they were gonna come back and like hit triage, and then they found you guys in the oil fields because they're predictable.
Yeah, it's crazy. Just park her up.
Okay. All right, you get some rest, yeah?
Yeah, I think I am. It's a great court case.
Great court case. I agree.
I'm glad you followed up on that. It was great work.
How you feeling?
Like I got shot and robbed.
Yeah. Has anyone spoken to you yet?
No. No, they haven't.
Okay. We obviously gathered a fair bit of evidence from the scene of the shooting down in the south side.
Oh,
Whether or not
perfect.
that's going to be suspect, police, I don't know whose blood it's going to be, but we collected a fair amount of it. We seized one vehicle for 48, and we're going to have MCD run their shenanigans over it to see what they get this pulled back.
I did.
At some point, I'm not saying tonight because I understand you've just been to court and got shot, but ideally from the both of you, I'll need statements. I need to know, anything that you think's pertinent to the investigation. From when you were taken, but I'm giving you some time to fill it out.
Okay, perfect. I'll get it did tomorrow probably, or the day after. I might take a day off, but fucking dog. They did say some stuff. Because I was trying to beat Kelly Price and get some. What did they tell you?
So, they said we don't want you. This is for command and MCD only, because quote they're pissed off because command isn't doing anything about something, and that's why they took her, and then that's why they cut me loose in the parking garage of that hospital. Was hey, you're not gonna get shot, nothing's happening to you, you're getting cut loose, and then well, we know what happened from there.
Yeah, they articulated a lot of the same. The one guy in the pink Vector license plate shotgun said that he had been hired. Do I believe that? Not really. He mentioned Lincoln Cole. There was an incident a couple of days ago, I would say about 48 hours ago, where they were, I guess he was arresting somebody and had taken their cut from them, and they told him not to put it on, and so he put it on, and then he took it off, and then he put it on. They also said Joey was a buffoon, but it was mostly for the disrespect in regards to the cut. And he had spoken to a British sounding officer in a white shirt and advised them to take care of the situation, or they would, and was given 48 hours. I kind of was baffled because it was like, we
I
haven't
know
seen
exactly what
him.
this is about.
And I was like, well, if you haven't seen him, I haven't seen him. What do you expect us to do in 48 hours if ain't nobody seen him? But they didn't care. There was also something else. So there was 48 hours. It had to do with that cut. Oh, they was also really upset about officers in the pursuit, saying that they were getting shit talked when they got pit out of that pursuit incident where they started blasting. I don't know what to tell them. What do you think's gonna happen when you got 4 fucking vectors hood popped, ramming police officers while you got officers kidnapped? But I didn't say all that. And then a helicopter showed up, and they was like, "We cutting this short. Sorry, you about to get shot."
Is there any available units to pick me up from the
Oh,
courthouse?
the first guy asked me if I wanted to be stabbed or shot, and I was like, "Nah, I'm good."
Yeah, 202.
I respectfully declined.
Thank you.
And then he robbed me of all my shit, so I gotta fill out that paperwork too.
Okay.
But yeah,
Do you know
I
what
guess
vehicle they left in? The one that robbed all your shit?
he stayed with that pink Vector. There was also a reddish.
There was
pink.
shotgun as the plate.
Yeah, that was the plate of the one that took
If you
me.
could articulate that in your statement whenever you
Kelly
get around to
motherfucking
it.
Price. It's already in my outline of statement.
I think we're gonna try and get a search warrant for the Vector.
There's also like 9 individuals at the courthouse. Mr. Serba said, and I don't disagree, he'd be interested in charging aggravated assault with a deadly weapon times 9 with aggravated circumstances for the majority of those individuals on account of they were all lawyers and judges and staffer and officers.
Yeah.
Hey, triple
But,
three. Can I get a head count if anybody's going to be going to that? If not, I'm going to have
yeah,
a
all of the
TAC one
vectors showed
dispersed.
up. He was heavy on the radio.
So far, we got 2 TAC.
It was pretty coordinated. It's definitely
Hey,
premeditated.
firm, I'll give it another few
based
minutes
on
and
his
then
statements.
I'll figure it out.
I mean, if it is who I think it is, and people on the scene, they think it was Joseph Martinez. They put a list of potential suspects in the IR. It's called Zone 4 Kidnap Kelly Price Cutter turned 2 times OIS Zone 4. Suspects are Joseph Martinez, Solo Moretti,
Alright,
Koji
final call
Ando,
before I have
and
TAC
I think
one
Maria
dispersed.
Martinez.
Listen, Koji I was
Alright,
thinking
TAC one's
Koji.
gonna
I ain't
reroute
even
TAC
looked at the
2.
report, and I was like, I ain't seen that bitch in a hot minute. But he
Yeah.
got a definitive hair color, hairline, appearance. So I speculated him. I don't pay attention to who's in what gang though. But anyway, I'll get a statement in there. I'm probably taking tomorrow off though. So
Yeah,
it'll
you're
probably
fine.
be Friday.
Yeah, that's fine.
But anyways,
Don't stress it. We aren't pushing any charges right now because we don't have suspects. So we're waiting for forensics to come back anyway. That'll take 24. We're going to have to submit MCD reports, which are going to take even longer. So you're
I
chilling.
believe. Listen, if they plead not guilty, get that Mr. D-Raz Serba to prosecute this shit. He did a fantastic job today. Also, charge him with obstruction of justice. They literally delayed a court proceeding.
Willow wants to charge him with contempt. She said she'd support a contempt of court charge.
Well, that's also perfect. I'm not going to Bobcat. I'm going to sleep.
I'm also going to go
My
to
phone
sleep.
is going crazy right now. It's got a little dog bark.
I can hear the
crazy.
canine units somewhere in the garage as well going crazy.
Oh, that's my ringtone. That's the ringtone I got. It's
Oh,
telling me
your
I
ringtone? Sorry,
gotta
yeah.
go. That's what it's saying. Anyway,
Okay.
I believe in you all. I'm going to sleep.
Thank you very much, Kelly. Have a good
Have
night.
an A above average night. 106, 27, 1042. Have an A above average night. I'll go let my pupper out. Let me see. No. Get off of my desk. You stole my phone off of my desk and chewed up my pop socket, you little cute puppy. It's not stolen, officer. It's borrowed. Maple Bacon RP. Why not? Let's go raid it. Thank you for hanging out, coming to court, and whatever that was. I need to go to sleep. So I have an above average night and a sunny day. That guy's definitely driving in a stolen car, but I'm going to sleep. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for the rage and making my heart happy. And we'll be back tomorrow. We going raiding.